Okay, hello. Welcome to Makerspace class. This time we're gonna make a project with these materials. Two pieces of cardboard from a box. Actually, we're gonna use four, but I'm gonna tell you that in a moment. But it's from a box. Yeah, two small pieces, two small rectangles, a ruler, scissors, a pencil, a marker, glue stick, a plate from the kitchen. This size is good. It's like a medium size plate or something round to make a circle, and a piece of cardboard from a cereal box or that you already finished. Okay, so the first step is put your plate or your dish, put it in this position at the center of the cereal box cardboard, or if you want to use later this part, move it to the left or to the right, and with the pencil mark the circle like this. Yeah, I'm gonna remark it. Yeah, like this, and then you have this circle size of the dish or the plate. Okay, well, next let me put this right here, and then take your scissors and cut. First I'm gonna cut this part, and then I'm gonna cut the circle. There, you can use this for something later in another project or in this same project, but not now. So I'm gonna cut around the circle. You know what? I forgot to tell you what are we going to do. But give me a moment. Let me cut this first, and I'm going to tell you. I know that you already know, but maybe some of you don't know what we're going to do in this project. So give me a moment. Let me cut this, and I will tell you and I show you something very, very nice. All right. So cut with me. Cut around. Don't go outline. Follow the line. Cut the circle like this. There. Okay, this is trash. Okay, what are we going to do, Mr. Mike? This is a sundial. Yep, we're gonna use this to check as an experiment if we can tell time using a sundial with the sun. Okay, but that I will tell you during the class. All right, how to use it. Here we're going to make it, and later I'm gonna tell you how to use it to tell time. Okay, I got the circle already, and take the ruler and the pencil again, and try to make a line half circle. Okay, something like this is half circle first, and then turn it around, and then try to make it like half circle. Okay, it's something like this. It's around here. Yeah, and the center is about here. If you're taking measure, it's like 20.5. So it's like 10.2, something like this. Like here the center. Yeah, here the center. So I'm going to remark this one. Yeah, but with a very thin line. If I take measure again, it's like 20.5. So follow this first dot. Place your ruler and trace a line. Yeah, and forget about the other one because it's crooked. Yeah, so you got the center of the circle, and these two lines are going to give us an idea of where to place or where to write the numbers of the clock. But first, can you see the lines? There. Here's the center. first line, second line, like a cross. Okay, so you have 4 quarters now. Okay, now place a ruler and you're gonna make a line, yeah, across the cross. It's like pizza. All right, so take your ruler like this again and try to mark at the center the line, and then see, and then another one, the same position or the same line, crossing the center like this, like when you cut a pizza. Okay, something like this. Alright, perfect. So let's go back to the main lines, the main 4 lines, and with the marker, this is very important. With the marker, first write the number 12 right here. You're gonna make a clock. Remember, 12 at the top, 6 at the bottom, over the same line, and then the middle line is like in this position is number 3, and here is number 9. All right, 12, 3, 6, and 9. Okay, now I'm not gonna use the ruler anymore, and the pencil I will use it in a moment. Now let's do this very carefully. It's like you have this line, yeah, this line, but you are not going to write number 1 over the line. It's like at the top of the line. I'm gonna show you in a moment. It's like this position is for number 1. It's like here, and number 2 is like here, and the line is between both numbers. Can you see? Is the line goes here, put the number 1 on the top of the line, and below the line number 2, between 12 and 3, but this exact distance. That is why you're making this line. Okay, same for 4 and 5. It's not on the line, it's over the line, yeah, here, and below the line. Check. Is here goes number 4, and here goes number 5. Again, is here is the line. Oh, there. Here is the line, and here is 4, and here is 5. It's on, over, and below. Yeah. Same for 7 and 8. Is here is the line, and then 7 goes here, 8 goes here, not on the line. Below the line 7, over the line 8. Here's the line. And same for 10 and 11. It's like here goes 10, and here goes 11. Here's the line, 11 goes up, and 10 goes here, below the line. Okay, and here is the center, right? Perfect. Now we have the numbers. Next step is, remember this 2 pieces of cardboard from a box, because this is thicker than this cardboard. This cardboard is thin because it's from a cereal box, and this cardboard is a little bit thicker because this is from a box. It's like from a chew box, or maybe from something that you buy at Mercado Libre, that kind of box. Okay, well, I told you to use 2, but it's much better to use 4. So I already cut these small rectangles, yeah, and we're going to put some glue and paste them, one like stacked one over the other. It's like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, goes like this. It's like 1, 2, 3, before, but you need to paste them. So use glue stick, yeah, all over, and paste one against the other. So as we don't have much time, I'm gonna obviously push and move or blow to dry faster. Next is again put some glue with your glue stick. It's better with the glue stick than with liquid glue, okay? Put some glue and paste another one. Stack them like this. Push to paste them together, and then put some more glue and put plenty of glue, and then put the last one on, and then you have like a block. We need this block in this way. Check. Well, I told you, move it or blow it to dry faster. And you can take a pen, yeah, because with the scissors is hard. So you can take a pen or the pencil to make a hole right at the center of the rectangle here. If you want to cut it like a circle, you can cut it as a circle or cut it as an exact square. It doesn't matter really. So I'm gonna use the pen because it's harder than the pencil, but you can use the pencil also. And right at the center of the block, right at the center here, push hard to make a hole the size of the pen. Yeah, you can go through it there. You can go through it, and you need to make sure the size of the pen that you're gonna use. Yeah, because I have another one, and please make sure, as I'm using this one, this is like with the tip. Make sure that the one that you're gonna use on the clock, on the sundial, has no tip, okay? Because it's dangerous. So try to adjust the pencil or the pen, whatever you want to use as the stick or the marker of the time. Yeah, but don't leave the tip like this. Okay, so go through and then put it back, and you have the hole, and try to fit the pencil. Or you can use the same pencil but in this position, but I insist it's dangerous to use it with a tip. Okay, so here I already check, and you're gonna paste it here at the center. You're gonna paste the block, but you need to make sure that the pencil fits like this. Alright, so let's use some glue stick on the back of the block, and again use plenty of glue like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna place it right. The hole should be right at the center of the sundial. All right, so calculate well, and then push to dry. I mean, push to paste and then push to dry. Okay, but remember, the hole goes at the center of the sundial. Push, 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 push to dry. Yep. And then cover your glue stick, and then just wait to dry. Yeah, shake, blow, and use the pencil that has no tip. Use it like this. Put it in here, and there you go. And you are finished with the sundial. Well, the thing is that, let me show you with my cell phone. The thing is that later today or tomorrow or whenever you want, you need to check that the sundial is giving you the time. The closest to the real time. So you need to check first the position, because it's like this. It's pretend that my cell phone is the sun. Let me put away the one of the let me put low the light. So pretend that my cell phone, the flashlight of my cell phone here, is the sun. Okay, so according to the movement of the sun, obviously you need to put the sundial in a place at home, maybe at the backyard or somewhere that you make sure that it receives sun or the sunlight. The sun should go like this. It's like moving like this, and the shadow of the sundial is gonna give you the time. Well, okay. So in class, I'm gonna tell you how to place in the correct position the sundial. But the sun or the shadow of the sun should move. Obviously, we're moving around the sun, so the shadow goes like this and the shadow should mark the correct time, mostly on the hours. On if, for example, if you check this at 2 o'clock, should mark like this the shadow. Okay. And how do you know about that? Well, you need to check the time in your cell phone that goes the same as your sundial. Yeah, if in your cell phone it's 2 o'clock, the sundial should mark the shadow 2 o'clock. Okay? So, I'm gonna tell you more during the class, but this video right now is over. Okay? So, I hope you like it, and let's hope it works, and see you next time. Alright? Bye bye. Thank you.